Hello students, today I will teach you lesson 3 and the name of the lesson is the Iron Age. So first it's important to know what is iron. So here is the definition of iron. A hard strong metal that is used for making steel and is found in small quantities in food and in blood is iron. Next thing that is very important to know that why iron is used most than other metal. The metal is used a lot because it is strong and cheap. Iron is the main substance to make steel also. Iron is harder than copper and bronze. Due to these qualities, iron is most widely used in the world. Iron is a metal. It is lustrous silver gray in color. It is the 10th most abundant element in the universe. It is found in a major amount at the core of the earth. Our next point is beginning of the Iron Age. The earliest use of iron has been recorded around 3200 years ago. This can be regarded as the beginning of the Iron Age. The Iron Age was not a single time period that occurred around the world at the same time. Instead, the Iron Age refers to when people in a particular location learned to use iron for tools and weapons, as well as when they started using iron more than other metals. Then Iron Age known. Means Iron Age not started at the same time around the whole world. Due to its uses, Iron Age differs from one place to another. Our next point is why did iron become so popular? Sorry. Why did iron become so popular? These are the reasons due to which the popularity of iron increases. The first one, iron was harder than copper, which made it a better choice for making tools. Next one, shortage of bronze around this time forced metal workers to seek another metal to make tools. At this time, iron ore was more easily available. For example, bronze and other things are not so easily available as iron. And gradually people experimented with it and developed steel making technology. Means people learned to make steel with the use of iron. Our next point is life in the Iron Age. Iron tools made the whole process of farming easier and faster. So, people had more time to spend on other activities. The new iron tools changed people's lives, like making important tasks like farming easier than earlier. In the comparison of stone tools, iron tools are saving their much time. During this age, many villages developed in big cities also due to the use of iron. Many things took place. Now, coins were also used as money. Earlier, people were using barter system. Now, they knew the use of coins, which were made of iron. Earliest coins were made of iron. Many of the people that lived during the Iron Age lived in hill forts. Why they lived in hill forts? People lived like this for protection, as war was common during the Iron Age. The Iron Age also helped many countries to become more technologically advanced. Sources to study iron. Now, with the help of which sources we can get knowledge about the Iron Age? Artifacts belonging to this age help a lot to know about the Iron Age. These artifacts include iron coins, iron cooking pot, swords, and other things. Iron Age civilization. A civilization is a well developed society which is very advanced in areas of literature, art, science, crafts, etc. The production of iron tools helped make the farming easier and more efficient. Farmers could plow tougher soil, making it possible to harvest new crops and freeing time for more leisure. New varieties of crops, livestock were introduced at different times over the span of the Iron Age. Two great civilizations also developed during the Iron Age, and they were Greek civilization and the Roman civilization. We saw that the discovery of iron changed the life of people a lot. This shows the importance of iron. Even today, iron continues to be one of the most used metals in the world.